Hi everyone, this is Wen Chen. I am going to introduce a very powerful Web 2.0 tool today, which is called Screencast-o-matic. Simply go to Screencast-o-matic.com and you will see this page over here. You can choose either to just start recording, or you can also download a version in your computer to do the same job. Then what is the job that it does? Actually, what it does is that it can capture your screen, say like this in this demo. You can go to the website and see yourself. A teacher is explaining the rule of sines, and say he drawed a triangle and trying to find out, trying to demonstrate how this works. It has many functions, including like recording from the screen and the webcam. It can publish your video to YouTube. It can also publish as MP4 AVI or FLV movies. And the most important thing is that they have a lot of tools like editing, scripts, screenshot. There are a free version and there are paid pro version, which is $15 a year for subscription. I find it very useful, and I probably will subscribe it myself. Now, we are going to talk a little bit about how it actually works. In the beginning, you will see that if you click Start Recording, it will get you ready, and there will be an area that it preset. You can choose to record a small area of your screen, or you can also try to record the full screen. I will take an example over here and see how it works. For example, if I'm teaching Excel, how to use Excel. Today we have a class data which has 15 students, both males and females. They have a height, weight, and I assume that they receive toys and candies as gifts. This is statistics. So I set my lesson to teach the functions sum if, average, and average if. So let's take a look at the questions. Question 1 is how many toys do the class receive? Actually, we can do it very easily. We can do it the hard way first. We choose this array of number over here, and we start to calculate. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, plus 5, 23, plus 2, 25, plus 8, 33, plus 3, 36, plus 4, 40, plus 3, 43, 45, 46, and 51. So if we add them up, we know that the whole class has 51 toys. However, there is an easier way. That is when we type the equal sign and we choose the function sum. Then it will ask us to choose the number. We just enter here and select this array of number over here and enter it. And we press OK. And guess what? It already calculates the result over here, 51. You don't have to add one by one. Okay. The same thing happens. You can use this. You can choose to calculate the average, which is arithmetic mean of a line of numbers. For example, the question 2 says, how many candies do the class have in average? We can, of course, sum them up and divide by 15. 3 plus 5, 8, 15, 20, 22, 26, 30, 40, 45, 55, 65 plus 3. That's 68. So the whole class has 68 candies, and then we type 68 divided by 15. Then we got a 4.53. That's the average number of candies everybody have. But if we choose to simply use the function average, it will make our life much easier. Say we type it equal sign, then we choose average. Then it will ask us what do we want to find the arithmetic mean. We will choose the array over here, which is the number of candies, and then we'll put it over here. Click OK. See, the same results just pop up. So these are the power of the functions. Think about it. We are only calculating 15 students. If we want to calculate those of 100 students, then you will spend a lot of time just to add up all the numbers. But with the powerful tools over here, then we can find out the answers much easier. Other things may include, we can also find out under certain conditions what are we talking about. For example, in the toys area, we got a male and a female. If we only ask how many toys do boys receive in total, then we have to first find out who are the boys, the males, and we add up their toys. 4 plus 6 plus 4, that's 14, plus 5, that's 19, 21, 25, 28, 30, and 30. So total number is 30. However, we can use SUMIF by typing equal sign, then SUMIF. We choose the range to be their gender, which is this column. See? And we enter it. Now the criteria is that we want to find boys, so we type in M, means male, and we sum up their range. The sum range means the actual number you want to sum up, which is the column in toy over here. Okay, and guess what? Now you don't actually sum up all of them. You only sum up the numbers that's from M, from boys. Okay, that will give you the sum of 30, which was to just match how what we calculated earlier to add them up one by one. Okay, so is there any question? Finally, I'd like to point out that this software is, this tool is best for visually impaired students, as far as I can see, and also the hearing impaired students. I have two reasonings. One is that for the visually impaired students, usually they need to have a bigger screen to show them what is going on the computer screen. So instead of giving them a computer and let them do that over there or teach from there, I can put this on a big screen and show them every detail where everything is. I think in my experience, that way students get more attention on what is going on, what the task is on hand. On the other hand, if we have a hearing impaired students, it is even better because we can use this to add captions to the videos that we're using, so that whichever step I'm using, I can put a caption over there. It has a function of that. I just didn't put it on this video, so that students, they can watch my task following the movement of the mouse cursor while reading a caption of what is being done at the moment, so that they will be able to quote unquote hear what I'm saying to the class. I think this is a very powerful tool, and I hope everybody will enjoy it. Thank you.